Hello, welcome back to Rob's Homemade Sunday recipe videos, and today we are making pork, pink salmon and chili fritters. Here are the ingredients, guys, all there, ready to go through. So we'll start at the front and work our way to the back. So we have, you can already see it, one egg white, a handful of coriander, a big handful at that. We have 2 to 3 chilies, depending on how spicy you like it or how hot you want it. Same again, 2 to 3 spring onions, depending on the size of the spring onion, of course. 130 grams of pink salmon, 130 grams of pork mince. I bought a tub of 500 grams, so I've not used a lot, so you might be seeing a few more pork recipes from me in the future. Black pepper, sea salt, vegetable oil for frying, you'll see that later, and the only non-homemade thing in this video, sweet chili sauce, Aldi's own. Basically, I could make my own, but for this recipe I'm not going to bother, but I may in the future make my own sweet chili sauce for a video, I don't know. And 1 lemon for garnish for later. And that's it, guys. So all this is going to go into a blitzer, give it a good mix up, and then form the fritters, get them frying, and we should be good to go. So I'll see you in a minute. Right, guys, we have our Ninja out. You can do this by hand if you want to, but I do try and use a blender because you want a nice, smooth, not really smooth paste, but a paste. So we'll start. The pork mince goes in. Gonna have a load of washing up in a bit, guys. Pink salmon goes in. Green chilies, or you can use red chilies, you can use anything you want, Scotch bonnets, you name it. Spring onions go in. Coriander, you need to save a bit of this for garnish at the end. So most of it goes in. I'm going to save a little bit for the old garnish. 1 egg white also goes in. We have our black pepper, a good grind of black pepper. Love black pepper, love it. Good stuff. Good grind of black pepper. And just a pinch of sea salt on the top. So I'm going to have a quick clear up of this mess. That'll do for now. So, there we are. Everything is in the container. Blitzer goes on. And this bit, guys, because there's not much liquid in there, can be a bit of a pain. So what I'm going to do, save you seeing me for 5 minutes, blitzing the hell out of this, making a mess, stirring it, putting it back on, listening to the sound. I'm going to speed it up and put some music on so you can listen and enjoy some music. So here goes, guys. Right, guys, as you can see, we have our mixture blended. As you can see, it was a bit of an effort, guys, to get it done. But like I said, speed it up, some nice music hopefully, and you'll be happy days. So, mixture. There you go. Blitzed, blended. there should be enough there for, I reckon, about 10 small mini bites. First things first, guys. Make sure you've got wet hands, because if you haven't, you are going to get yourself into a mess. So we want a small ball, no bigger than a golf ball really, something about that size, and then we're just going to shape into a small fritter. We want them quite small, quite thin, because we're going to be quickly shallow frying. So something along the size of that, guys, will be perfect. So I'm going to do the rest of this mix. Obviously speed it up so you don't get bored, and I'll see you when they're done. Right guys, our fritters are made, and there we go. It's actually made 8. I did say about 10, but there you go. The fritters are made. Them homemade, so they're never going to be exactly the same. As long as they're the same thickness, you should be okay. So they all cook at about the same time. I'll do them in 2 batches of 1 of 4, 1 of 3, and then we'll get them all cooked off together. So let's get started and get cooking these bad boys. Right guys, we have our vegetable oil heating up nicely. A quick way of checking the temperature if you haven't got a thermometer. Just drop a small piece of the batter in there. If it starts frying straight away like that, your temperature's about right. So I'm going to go medium to high heat. So we've got it up to temperature. I've just turned it down a touch. Get rid of that little nugget. Then grab your first batter. Be very careful guys, because this is a hot oil, and we're going to do 4 in our first batch. And then another 4. So we made 8. Did I say 9? As you can see, shallow frying, absolutely lovely. 2 to 3 minutes each side guys, and we should be good to go. So cue the music. Right guys, our 8 little nuggets of porky goodness are cooked. Look at that guys, golden brown, absolutely delicious. Like I said, there's 8 of them in total. We're just going to arrange them on the plate, looking nice. There we go. So next, sweet chili sauce. Like I said, this is the only homemade thing on video. Couple of wedges of lemon, because we've got a bit of fish going on, and then the last of that coriander sprinkled over, just to give it a nice little restaurant-y type vibe, I suppose you could call it. But it's definitely a homemade dish. So there we are for my, show you guys, homemade pink salmon, pork mince, chili fritters. Don't they look amazing guys? Quick, simple, easy to do, less than 10 minutes, dead easy. Obviously if you don't make your own sweet chili sauce. So there we go. That's what they look like. They look amazing. So let's go for the taste test. We'll put you back down here. And let's go. Pick this one from the middle here. Here goes. Porky. Fishy. A little bit of kick from that chilli, which is really nice. Dip it in the sweet chilli. Oh my days. Those are absolutely banging. They're just a nice little Saturday night snack. You can see the inside, green with the coriander. Those are so good. I am now going to sit in my front room and do a proper demolition job on these. In fact, I forgot something. Let's see what it's like with a squeeze of lemon. The zest of a lemon on a pink salmon and pork fritter chili. That's even better, guys. Oh my days. I am definitely making these again. So juicy, so tasty. So, that was Rob's Homemade Sunday recipes. Pink salmon, pork and chili fritters. Thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, don't forget the notification bell. Click all and you'll get every single notification from me, Rob, of Rob's Homemade. So from me, Rob, thank you very much for watching. Peace.